Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today we are actually going to be feeding our peppers. And I'll show you here what they look like. We have some that are still coming up, and I actually did plant some more because I found some different varieties that I'm going to be trying this year. And they're getting their true leaves. Some of them already have their true leaves. And I'm actually going to be feeding them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. It's a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. That's what I use on mine. You're more than welcome to use, whatever type of plant food you wish to use on yours. I know my friend, she uses that fish emulsion. But I know that if you get it too strong, it can burn your plants. That has happened to her already. So for the Miracle-Gro, what I do is I use a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I make sure that my water is, room temperature, because peppers do not like cold, and they don't like cold water. So we're going to be feeding these here today. And I have my plant food in a little cup up here, and I'm just going to give them a little bit of food. And you want to make sure that your soil is nice and moist. You don't want to feed a dry plant, you'll burn the root system. And one of the reasons why we're feeding these is because I want to establish a good root system on them. The root system is what makes your plant. It helps the plant take up nutrients, it helps the plant take up water, it makes the plant grow big and strong, which is what we want. So having a good root system established is a really good thing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That will tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.